Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the last and final chart. It is the Treemap chart. Treemap chart, it is good for small businesses who wants to track down all of their soft goods, hard goods, and then the various services, and the colors are the grouping of the data. And let's get to it. So, of course, by now you guys are all familiar of how to insert a chart, but in case you forgot, here's a quick recap on how you would be able to do that. First, you highlight the chart, then you go over to insert. From there, in the chart area, go over to this chart. It's called a hierarchy chart. Click on the drop down arrow. Click on to the Treemap. As you can see, the blue one represents the hard goods, the red one, soft goods, and then the services are in green. So as you can see, this business is offering not a lot of services, but is offering a lot inside hybrid. The size of it depends on to the dollar value. So as of right now, you can see is the hybrid bikes are going neck to neck to the mountain bikes. And if you want it to make it more visually appealing, all you need to do is add some chart elements. So all you need to do is format the data series. Then you click on the word banner, and as you can see right over here now is more visually appealing. So the hard goods, as you can see, it is offering a lot, and then the soft goods, it's not offering as much as the main core of it, which is the hard goods, which is the hybrid bikes, the mountain bikes, the road bikes, fat bikes, and the kid bikes. Hope this video helps, and if you want to know about any more other charts, drop down on a comment on below and I will get back to you. Bye for now. Last but not least, I'll show you how to move charts. So from there, click on to location, move chart. Here I can put it as Treemap chart. Click OK, and bam, you have it more zoomed in. Hope this video helps, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye for now.